Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Much love to all Careface CVP subscribers. We couldn't have done it without you. Big up the viewers and the commenters. Big respect to the shares and the likers. More love for the haters. Let's get into this video. Did you know this? How many years will you do if convicted of murder in Canada? Did you know this? The mandatory sentence for any adult convicted of murder in Canada is a life sentence, with various time periods before a person may apply for parole. However, the ability to apply for parole does not mean parole is guaranteed. Did you know this? Canada's last execution were carried out in December 1962, although the de jure abolition of the death penalty did not come until 1976. However, every attempt to eliminate capital punishment has met with fierce opposition. Did you know this? The reasons for banning capital punishment in Canada were fears about wrongful convictions, concerns about the state taking people's lives, and uncertainty about the death penalty's role as a deterrent for crime. Did you know this? Jamaican law is largely based on English common law. The penalty for murder is death, while the penalty for manslaughter ranges from a fine or probation to life imprisonment. Did you know this? The last execution in Jamaica was of murder convict Nathan Foster in 1988. In 2009, a moratorium placed on the death penalty was lifted. Therefore, it is still legal in the country. Did you know this? Typically, a convicted murder suspect is given a life sentence or even the death penalty for such an act. A person who commits murder is called a murderer, and the penalties are different from state to state. In 2005, the United States Supreme Court held that offenders under the age of 18 and under at the time of the murder was exempt from the death penalty. Did you know this? In 2012, the United States Supreme Court in Alabama rules that mandatory sentences of life without the possibility of parole are unconstitutional for juvenile offenders. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.